Well, howdy YouTube, Unky Joe here, Unky Joe's Playhouse. Yeah, today we're going to say goodbye to an old friend. Well, the old friend has already left. If you look behind me, you see that we have made some changes to our workbench. We have two workbenches now. Yeah, we said goodbye to our blonde desk. You know, that desk has been in my family for, 40 years now. I think my brother had it made over in either Crete, Greece, or in Germany. He can't remember, and I don't remember. I just remember vaguely him bringing that back when they got back from Greece. And we didn't get rid of it. It actually went to my sister. But that desk had a total of 9 drawers in it that were full of stuff that evidently I don't need anymore, with the exception of 1 or 2 of the drawers, which is what I ended up condensing everything down to. So I'm just going to play a little video and let you see what that entailed, and then I'll come back and talk to you about some of the other changes we're going to make on the set or the work area behind us. So, there you go. We got rid of the desk, and my sister took it, and she's going to be very happy with it. She's already set it up in her home and sent me a picture of it, so it stayed in the family. Now, originally what I had planned to do was get one of these from IKEA, which was the Linman Alex combination with the Linman is the desktop, I guess, right here, and it comes with a pole and then two of the Alex drawers. And I got to thinking, that's a lot of money to spend on a desk. And if you go to Walmart, they have these tables that you saw me set up, the white ones, like the ones I have behind me. And they're about $45, right? And they're actually 6 feet long. They give you a whole lot of space. They're very sturdy. I wouldn't sit on them or anything. I think their weight capacity is about 110 pounds. But rather than the problem with IKEA was they were out of stock on that combination that I wanted, which was the black, brown, and gray. So I decided not to get it, and just instead I went and got one of those desktops or one of those folding tables from Walmart. Now, as you can see behind or next to that table, there's a filing cabinet. I'm going to give that to my spouse, and then I'm going to get one of these, another one of these Alex drawer combinations, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to get the gray one here, and I'm going to just put that in that location where that filing cabinet is, right over there, or right over here, that black filing cabinet is. And then that'll give me 5 drawers. I have one of those Alex units on this desk, at the end of this desk right now. So that gives me plenty of space to store. What I like to put into the drawers is, my wallet and credit cards, that kind of thing. I store some parts in there that I use on a regular basis to swap out, video cards, etc. So it just gives me a place to store some of that stuff I have in here. Now, the other thing that's going to happen is that wall where you see the Ubiquity and you see the Creature from the Black Lagoon, that is going to get a tool. What do they call those things? It's a little rack where you hang your tools, like a pegboard. I'm going to put a pegboard up there so I can put my tools on the wall behind me, because I'm constantly having to go to the other area of the house or the other area of the work area and get my tools, and I'm just not happy with that setup. So I want workspace. So this allows me to keep the workbench, as you can see on the right hand side here, or in this side here. I can keep that fairly clean and do work on it. And then I've got the other side. I can't help me. Help me. That. I can still use as a desk and get real good use out of that space. And then I have storage space underneath. So be kind to me with my wiring under that table right now. It's the only thing I haven't cleaned up. But I just wanted to share that with you, that we're going to be making some changes to that work area behind us. So if I move to the side here, you can see I also have my unraid boxes now set up and on the floor, and because that's going to be used at the workbench. And then that unit there is that AMD Ryzen 5 2600 Jerry built. We're going to be using that as a workstation. And then that is a PBX server for a client of mine. I'm building one for them. So there you go, YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the video, found it entertaining and informative. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and leave your comments down in the comments section. And if you'd like to donate, we take PayPal and Patreon. December was a good month for us on Patreon, as was October and November. We had a lot of donations. We were able to get that Dell R720 server in, and I have been experimenting with it. I've done one video on the Dell already. We have more to come as I explain to you what I have ultimately determined to do with that server, how it suits my needs, and what those needs are. So you've got that video to look forward to as well. So make sure you come back and see us again real soon. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget, we'll see you on the other side.